So how would this lead to?
You know, so this a lead to a bush door. And one day you see this a lead to over a ball ground.
So now let them not lead to 21.
Yeah, I want to tell you, sir. One day around this will lead to 21, you know. But we block up that long time.
Makes sense, man. Look like we have a place governed, man.
Make sure it's safe as possible. You know. So whisper, how you circle so often? Eh? I see a regular from over there, you know.
I'm going to tell you something I circle, brother. You have some unfinished business, you know. Remember say rain fall.
Anytime I saw you so often, I know say it's a program in the depend still.
Remember say I don't show you some little movements that go on in a place, you know. So every now and then I pop in and pop out. I make you know, yeah.
Yeah man, I know a phone style man. Remember we name original see and blind, you know, hear and deaf.
Oh, we stay.
You know, when I get the teeth, you know, remember one rifle for you.
Another empty gun.
When I tell you, I say one thing at a time, brother.
Come like us some joke thing there, you
Yo, brother, easy no, easy no.
Easy, my blood. Like, how is man that? Yo, how you the boy? You know I'm not trust you.
Brother.
You think the same thing no more?
Your business no one do or a war come look for. You're one of my soldiers, man.
Yo, give me a card, brother.
Boy, I don't know some macaroni and cheese more than them in Australia there, man. I keep going.
Yeah, man. You don't know anything already. You know, say sometimes you see me as a weed worker, water commission, brother. Sometimes even as a madman, who knows? Depends on the apps, you know? But sometimes you know me, sometimes you don't know me.
Well, you do what you have to do, you know. I one thing I tell you do, you know. If you come over here like no madman, I don't know you.
So you can still send on a bills and buy all the water or something for consume, man.
That good man, I want trade that. Just make sure you have a little saving pan so we can tuck it in.
Yeah, man. It's a paint bucket me up with, man. So you know it's a campaign, though.
Sure them movements they still have go on over here, sir. Because I tell you, the place quiet, you know.
Brother, you see when you get comfortable, and them time to them strike. Just keep your eye open.
Yeah, look man, plus a real talk, 'cause if we out every time, then not gonna make no move.
Talking about weed. You're general on the surface yet. Whenever you don't talk about that, you know.
Well, from the last time you see him, the same time you see him too, you know. You see him from that.
So man, definitely I walk wide, brother. They said really rich.
Yeah, me I tell you, brother. Feel like a joke me I make. That's why me I show you say, I have to do what me have to do, you know. And the man have to do what them have to do, you know, brother.
So I'm going with Vicious. Him good, and Yarn him good.
Yeah, Vicious great, man. I remember, you know, Vicious is my day one soldier. You know. Afterwards, Butcha them forward around me.
Yeah, really no. The other side of me there. 13 him forward from originally.
Which man that? Oh, you have to bring man in place, brother. With rifle in hand.
You're supposed to bring a rifle come gear. Well, I hit that, you know. I move so jumpy.
move jumpy, a ramping thing at on you. Or if you bring man come behind back you. Me no want a man know my location, no brother.
So how the rifle can reach you? Remember, some can't walk up and down, you know. I am alone now, me there. No worry, man, everything safe.
They were telling for forward. So I'm all on the magazine. So how about me now?
See that now? We did my end of the bargain. So I go there in.
Hurry yourself, man. I have 2 more dogs out here. Anytime ready for making move.
2.
Don't worry about how much, man. Or how effective them can be. You know me not like that, brother.
Dodger. Ducky.
Yo, Silver, tell a boy they say no man can test my prostate. You hear that?
I don't know, a little beef did I go on with 13 and 14. But ranking squash that. I mean, I say, yeah, like how we're so close. It's a chip all we link up. You see me? Because you know, united we standing up. It's alright, this up.